And here I have a fan for crib, car seat, and it comes with the manual here. And you can move this stuff wherever you want to put it. And let's see, on back here. It has 3 speeds. Really good.